the shape. This is under it. Good job! You're using your eyes, Emmett. How about this one? No. Really, it's right there. How about the quacker? Good job. How about the pig? Good. This is gonna be the last one easy. No, that one's already full. Good job. Good, you did the whole puzzle, Emmett. Now let's do the shape puzzle.